It's going to be a scorcher today. We're off to Grasmere, Easedale Tarn and Helm Crag. We're going on the bus this time. £3 there, £3 back. Takes twice as long. If we were to go on the train and then we had to get a bus, it'd been about £22. But we're doing it today for £6. What a beautiful day.
How do? We're in Grasmere today. We've had 5 minutes off the bus. He's already had an instant with a woman with a brush. Terrified him. I just paid £2.25 for a bottle of Pepsi Max. Lakeland prices. Now we think we're going to climb somewhere up here. It's about 5 miles or something like. It's 24-25 degrees and sunny, so it'll be a warm one.
It cost me £2.
£3 it cost me.
£3. Well, it cost him nothing, I paid. Let's get it right.
Oh, it's like that, you know.
Oh yeah, short arms, deep pockets.
If you get so you got ice cream last time as well. Does he do that with you as well?
He's got arms like a T-Rex. Don't reach his pockets.
We don't know if it's this one or another one. Look at that. But you'll soon find out.
It's nice. He's just dropped off Owen's wage packet for the week.
Oh, it's warm, but it's good.
So we're halfway up to Tarn maybe, and we've arrived at a point of interest. I'm going to give it a look.
Is he alright, that dog? He's not going to ravage me, is he?
No, he's not. I might just say hello.
He seemed to go for me, dogs. I don't know why.
He's starting away now.
Go for it.
He's got his bum sticking out like he's well walking. The temptation to take your boots off and dangle your little toes in that pool. I bet it's really cold in there.
It's quite a trek up, not too steep. See the people in the distance. I imagine that's where the tarn is. Easedale Tarn. It's been very nice and warm. The sweat dropping from this old haggard brow. Oh yes, thank you, we've made it. It's quite a popular town, obviously. Somebody camping over yonder.
Yeah, we made it up. That was a climb and a half without our camping gear. So we doubled with it, but we got up, so we know we can do it. We've reached the tarn. Plenty of folk about as expected.
Some camping all yonder.
There was a... Aye. We met two lads on the way up who'd been camping up here last night, so there'll be a public space for camping. Don't bother me. Someone else camp nearby. More the merrier. Yeah, we got as far as here. I think our next journey we'll be across this bit of water to a path over yonder. We'll go to the side of it. Not a bad life. I don't know, mate. Confidence, leg strength, ability. Boo boo. Did it.
You've done it. This morning before I set off, as I was hiding my keys in my garden, I bumped into Mrs. Hermanchinsky. She was getting into a car and she had a lovely green and white frock on. I noticed she's also done her hair and it's styled very nicely, and it was in the colour of slate grey. I think she's got a new boyfriend because she hasn't mentioned Mr. Slobodanovich for quite a while. I'll try and find out and let you know.
We've come down from the tarn, right down into the bottom of the valley. And the consensus is we've got to try and climb up this here somehow. I can't see where we can from where we are now. I'm just going to follow the path and see where we end up. But,
I think it'll join where we, near that bridge where we, it's a loop and then
yeah,
it goes up, I'd imagine, and then up and then just back down.
right, well we'll see when we get there.
Nice though, isn't it?
Beautiful this. A few less people, it'll be even nicer, but such is life. It's a nice day. We can't be greedy. Right, we've got most of the way back to Grasmere. We decided to go up Helm Crag. It's about a mile, but most of it's up. So we're about halfway-ish maybe, all being well. But there are big steep steps coming up, so we've had to stop for breathers and things. But the view is absolutely spot on up to now. At the top, it should be even better. Oh, a bit of ice, well, that's all I've got left. We've got to get up there yet. Oh, it's warm now. Nice view though at the edge. Down there. In the distance is Grasmere Lake, and there, oh my, we've just come up this bit, that's a sheer drop off there, and the path leads where them two people coming down. We're taking a breather, from the many breathers, and Owen's not happy that we're near the end of here with a drop like that. It's quite a drop down there, if someone should slip and stagger. But the climb up has been quite intense. Always nearly thumbed the tail in twice, he says, I've battled through because I want to prove to myself that I can do it. But I'm feeling it, but still got a bottle of water, just under a bottle of water left. So that was the deciding factor as to whether we carry on. There's Grasmere in the distance, we'll get in there eventually.
The heat, and I've had a couple of moments where I felt like throwing a towel in because of the heat. Jellified legs is where you've got to battle on, haven't you?
You've also got to remember,
Yeah.
it's nearly 30 degrees.
Yeah.
No shelter.
And we've walked the other side of that valley, all the way along there, all the way past that waterfall. You can see the path, all the way up there, all the way into that valley, and all the way back down the bottom to come back up to the top of here. And I've only had an apple. I've never been so relieved and excited to have a drink of chicken soup. It's red hot. Not the soup, the weather. We are turning back, no shame in it. I'm going to show you through my big camera in a minute how far it is to go, but just too much, too hot. We've walked too far, and what is enjoyable will become torture. We're not in it for that. We're not muttly and dick dastardly trying to get a medal. When it goes like, gimme, 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 gimme. You can see where my finger is. That, I think, is the lamb. But where the lion is, I don't know.
We've gone a bit further than we anticipated. After a bit of a snack and a sit down. And we got to a bit where we can see the views without doing the last little bit, which is there. So I think we got the benefit. Little villages and things all down there. I think that's Grasmere in the distance. Grasmere Lake. Behind us there, that's the lion, and the lamb's just behind it. Helm Crag, also known. So yeah, we've gone as far as we wanted to go, I think, without it being a no longer enjoyable experience, shall we say. But we've also found a couple of nice little camping spots here. I know it's on the path, but up late at night, you never know. So we're going to do this last little bit here. Owen's got his legs back a little bit now after his chicken soup. And we'll get the full range of the view. And I think we'll make our way back down. We had a bit of lunch, a bit of a rest, and we've come a little bit further. That is the very top of it. We aren't going there, but we found these two little outcrops that give nice views back towards Grasmere. I'll show you in a minute when I get to the top of here. And also we found two nice little camping spots just along this way. This could be one at the top of this hill as well. But it has been tough today. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And that breeze. And that's where it was in the distance, at the tarn. Up Easedale Tarn. There's a nice spot here, Sharps. Oh, it's a bit high up this.
Do you think?
Oh.
This will. What if?
It's alright.
You could get 2 tents here.
Yeah. I cleared this spot, definitely. Well, more camping spots. I mean, the drops from here are pretty dramatic into but I reckon this will be spot on.
Right, we're almost down. It doesn't show this camera how steep these steps are, and unrelenting on your feet. One little bit of lack of concentration
No wonder.
and you're away. Yeah, it's steep as this.
On our way down now, and we just done the hard bit of steps that broke us. So thankfully we're still on our way down now. It's about 20 past 3ish maybe. We've got an half 4 bus, failing that an half 5 bus, so we're not under a lot of pressure. But I'm feeling the heat now. I'm feeling the exhaustion now.
Are you sharp?
I am, just feeling it on my neck, like a little bit of, not sunstroke, but yeah. I can feel I've got it. The heat's got to me a little bit, but we'll soldier on. Not long now, not back quite in Grasmere yet, but we stopped for a top up, a pint of lager shandy and a blackcurrant and soda water. Best part of £10, which Orange says was reasonable.
No, I mean for lakes.
I think it's top end.
Is it £9.90?
Yeah, I would say
We've
so.
been paying 12.
Yeah, but not. I was having beer.
Yeah.
That's a glass of pop.
Oh yeah.
Well, hey, it's got ice in it. It's cold. It's wet. It's very tasty.
It's a funny lager taste, that.
With lemonade.
Yeah, it's a
It's
funny.
the same beer that you had at Dungeon Gill.
But I think it's a bit. It tastes a bit. I'm not an expert. Like she's washed her fucking socks in it. Just got back from Lakes, and that was left on my step. It's a £60 water filter. Idle gets. Gonna put it here, on the side of there, 3 metres away. Idle gets. I will be complaining about that.